My dear people of Mizoram, Chibai, I greet you all on the auspicious occasion of the 73rd Republic Day of our great nation of India. On this day, we remember the sacrifices made by the countless people for the achievement of our valuable freedom. It is because of them that today we have a constitution which guarantees a vibrant democracy, secularism, and equality. Since I assumed the office of the governor, I have interacted with various sections of the society and have travelled to the interior parts of the state. I have noted the presence of a strong civil society and have seen that we are blessed with a wonderful environment. However, I feel that we can still do so much more in order to realize our true potential. I take this opportunity to share with you the various schemes of the Government of India, such as Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Kisan Credit Card, and many more. I encourage all of us to avail these extremely useful and beneficial social security schemes, which have been made affordable for the masses. I also urge the various banks to educate and assist the public in availing these schemes. As we all know, the whole world continues to reel under the COVID-19 pandemic. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has turned crisis into opportunity and has given a call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. Here I would like to make a fervent appeal, especially to the youth, to rise up for the achievement of a new India. Again, various central government schemes are available, including Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Stand Up India, and Startup India. We should follow the mantra given to the youth by the Honorable Prime Minister, which is compete and conquer. Also, as the pandemic continues unabated, I request all those eligible to undertake vaccination at the earliest, including the precautionary dose. As responsible citizens, it is our duty to vaccinate for the safety of ourselves and others. As we celebrate Republic Day, let us rededicate ourselves to the values and ideals that the framers of our Constitution stood for. It is our sacred duty to preserve and uphold the unity and integrity of our nation. Once again, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. Kalome. Jai Hind.